Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance effortlessly. First, log into your OKX account and head over to the Assets section. Here, you'll see all your holdings. Find USDT and click on Withdraw. Now open a new tab and log into your Binance account. Navigate to Wallet and then Fiat and Spot. Click on Deposit and select USDT as your cryptocurrency. Make sure you choose the correct network. ERC20, TRC20, or whichever you're using. Back to OKX, enter the USDT deposit address from Binance into the recipient address field. Double check this to avoid any mistakes. Then choose the network that matches the one you selected on Binance. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Confirm all the details and hit Submit. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter that to complete the process. Now just wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes, but it could be longer depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your Binance Fiat and Spot wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. And there you go, your USDT is now safely in your Binance account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.